Day 12 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2023, and here he is, been waiting for this one, the Gonk Droid. And this Gonk Droid thinks he's a reindeer. Outfitted with low artificial intelligence, the EG-6's only function was to provide energy to diverse machinery, starships and other vehicles. Most of the EG-6's interior was filled out by its fusion generators. Its hull was heavily armoured, and the droid was designed to survive the extremes of temperature or radiation. This led to its extensive use on mining colonies. There were two heavy-duty plug-in power sockets on the right-hand side of the EG-6's body and a standard power socket on the lower half of its front. There was also a light-duty socket on the face light unit on the upper half of its front side. This also contained a system diagnostic package as well as visual sensors and an acoustic signaller. The droid was able to speak Droid and computer languages only. The diagnostic package included a spectrometer as well as infrared, sonar and X-ray scanners which were used for equipment checks. Although rarely used, the EG-6 had a manipulator arm that was hidden under a small panel on its lower front side. EG-6s were virtually indestructible and lasted for years and years. Very robust units. The one that was owned by the Lars family on Tatooine was several hundred standard years old. Personally, I think LEGO missed a trick with this one. He should have a red nose. Poor old Rudolph.